Yo, what's up? And welcome back to my video. That's what's up. So you subscribe to my channel, yo. Hit that bell, you know the one with the shadow, yo. Comment and like, and you will watch how my channel go. Comment and like, and you will watch how my channel go. Comment and like, and you will watch how my channel go. Yeah, we here at a property and we are doing a bathroom repair. I will be taking down all the ceramic tiles throughout the shower area, along all around the bathroom. Yeah, that vent in there should not be there, but we'll work around that. We'll be taking all these ceramic tiles. As you can see, it's going around the window, behind the toilet, behind the sink. We're removing this window. This mirror here on the wall. And it goes on and on and on behind the doors. Whew. We're gonna be here for a while, so I'm gonna need you guys to help me. Stay here with me. So as you can see, I started taking down the ceramic tile on this wall. It has some metal mesh back here, and I see it's wrapped around. So I will have to remove this whole side here in order to get to the rest of the mesh. So we will see how far this wire and mesh goes on. So as you can see, we're getting further along. I have removed the ceramic tile around the door, behind the door. I have a lot more to remove. Once I remove the sink in a toilet, I can get to the ceramic tile in that area. Otherwise, I have removed the ceramic throughout the bathroom. Thank you guys for helping me. Just being here with your support is very, very much needed. So let's continue on with the rest of this beast that we are going to slay. Putting backer board along throughout the whole shower area, and when we're done with the backer board, we will start the tiling and backsplash process. So I appreciate you guys being here thus far. Please continue. When everything is boarded up and the drywall is put in all the areas that's missing drywall, I will be mudding. So I am going up the shower with this towel here, and I'm gonna bring a strip of backsplash across here, all the way across there, and up to the mirror that's gonna be placed on the wall there. So it's going to be a strip of backsplash going around there. The shower is going to be all the way up to the ceiling, around the duct and vent here, and around the piping here. Okay, so I I finally made it up to the point where I'm going to apply the backsplash. So I'm going to put a strip of mortar across, just a line, just enough to cover the backsplash. If you get it on the towels, you can just wipe it off.
Give me some good.
So. This should be enough to cover the backsplash. If not, you can apply some to the back of the backsplash. It'll be just as good. We go back and clean this off later. Not a big deal. Beautiful backsplash. Look, so I'm going to cut this off here so it can line up with the corner of the wall. Otherwise, I have to fill in little pieces here. It wouldn't make sense. So to make it easier, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these off. So now I trim down the first piece of backsplash, so I won't have to fill in the pieces. A flat piece so it can be flush against the wall in the corner. Yes, beautiful. Did you guys see the first piece? I am done with the shower area right now as far as tiling and backsplashing. It looks fantastic to me. Let's get a far away version to see. Yes. If you like this design, please comment below and say, I like this design. That's great backsplash. The owner actually picked out the tile and backsplash for this bathroom, and she did a fabulous job. So when I grout, it's going to look even better. Let's get one last look at the whole shower area, you guys. So I'll be showing you more when I put in the missing pieces of drywall, grout, mud, sand, the works to this area. Yes, big piece of drywall there. When I finish putting the backsplash here, move over past the window, take it here. It's going to be a mirror there, so then it's going to stop at the mirror. Or I'm going to try to turn the mirror the long way, and I will try to put, I'm sorry, not the long way, the wide way, and I will try to put it across and under the mirror here. If it's not short enough, then I will stop at the mirror and continue in the corner here with the backsplash. Prime the floor with the Eco Prime grip because I will be tiling on top of ceramic tile. So I just put my first layer of Eco Prime grip on here, so I will let it dry in about 30 minutes. I will put a second layer on here. You see it? Now what this does, once it dries, it works as the same as backer board. So we will see how it goes once I put on my second coat. This is the second coat of the Eco Prime. Now this is beautiful. It's supposed to get hard and feel hard like board, as you can see, it looks just like it, don't it? Oh yeah. So my next layer of ceramic tiling, you can see it's gonna stick really well. Yes. So I'm not gonna do that until later. So let this dry for a while, and I'll be back to put my tiles down. Same tiles as the shower. I am finally done with the bathroom. The floor is completely grouted, clean. The walls are finished. Backsplash up. Yes. The shower is grouted. Yes. So this is a finished look for the shower. Turned out pretty nice. Still gotta put the shower corner piece here. It's gonna be combed, going from the ceiling all the way down to the floor. I will be cleaning this tub out. And I will be trimming this window with wood and painting it white. And I will also be painting the window, around the window, white as well. White borders down here around the bathroom. And the white, I think it's tape that you put down here around the bottom of the tub and around the inside of the tub. Yes, yes. So I will be continuing this video after I put a couple of things in here, and the sink, the vanity's going here, and the toilet's going here, mirror's going here, and I will be cleaning these light fixture pieces off real nice. As you can see, it has paint on them from the painting, so I will be taking them off one by one and cleaning them thoroughly.